as you can see, we haven't really got much out of here. We did pull about 6 garbage bags out of here, but it doesn't look like it. Although the dining room's made some progress. Alright, you ready for this, YouTube? There's Ann digging through something there. You ready for this? Yummy. Looks delicious. Ready for the fridge? Oh yeah. What the hell is that? Those are some kind of bugs, I think. Man, we should just dolly this thing just the way it is to the scrapyard. There's a pool table under there somewhere. Okay, YouTube, we're getting cleaner. Uh-oh, I stepped on the light. Step on the cord, turn the light on. Getting cleaner in here. You can see there's a pool table, Christmas tree, Ann's digging through some old books. Monocal 1973. That's probably an old high school yearbook. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Slowly getting through it. Loving the blue couch. Can't wait till I can get that thing out of there.
Take it home.
There's another matching love seat that goes with it, and I think a chair too somewhere. Plus there's this chair I haven't gotten to yet, but it has like the same glittery texture. So that's some cool 1970s stuff. Anyhow, I found something super cool. Where? No, that's an air hole. We used to put air holes on the side of the cushion like that. So when you sat on it, didn't like, you know, it let the air out, you know. So check this out, YouTube. Look what I found. Okay. So there it is. Take a look. Open it up. There's like shelves in there. It's very fragile. So you can see like shelves, and of course there's this. I don't think this goes with it. I don't know what, this is from some old granddad whiskey, I think. I don't know what it is. But anyhow, that doesn't go with it. But I'm like, I see like some shelves in there. I'm like, okay. A nightstand with some shelves. What do we got down here? See, this one's broke a little bit. That needs fixed. Hinge is messed up. So is this hinge a little bit messed up. There's a piece of wood here, looks like, to fix it. More shelves. So I'm like, what the heck is that? A nightstand with slotted shelves. So I'm like, okay, what the heck? I start like tapping on them, like this seems hollow. There's like a thickness here, something's in here. And so I'm prying, I didn't see nothing, and finally if you hit the right spot, there's a lid that opens. Check it out. Check this thing out. We got a record in there, which is Art Lund, peg of my heart. And it's a Victrola Victor talking machine. Isn't that cool? Check this thing out. I don't know why I think it's so cool. These are the days with no electricity, you know? This is all mechanical here. Look, there's a handle crank right here. Once I found this, I found a hole in the side right here where you can put it in and turn it, thread it in there. Yep, once you can turn it, you can give it some cranks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. I hate to crank it too much because I don't know how much you're supposed to crank it. But then there's this little handle here. Listen to this thing, it's insane. Look, that gets it spinning. And then the needle. Look, see the handle slowly releases. I don't know if there's a catch for the handle, it's not catching or what. But then you put the needle on it. Gotta get the needle quick. So I have to hold this. Hold that with my finger. Pretty cool. Look, there's speed. Oh, it's like rattling a little bit back there. Alright, let's check it out. Don't do that. Idiot. See, the handle doesn't stay. Hang on, I gotta let it get spinning first before you drop the needle. Oh man, I did it again. Such an idiot. No battery, it's just a spring. I guess I need more than 10 cranks. But that's pretty cool, right? That's freaking cool. I think this thing's super cool. I don't know why. Speaker in there, just a spring, you crank it up. I think this would be a really cool thing to have at home. Get some different records and stuff. Crank it up and let it play. Anyhow, yeah, I wanted to show that. That's pretty cool, right? Huh? That's an awesome find. You know, I don't think anybody lived in this place. They thought for more than 20 years, but I'm going to guess this place has, you know, probably been empty for 50 years or more. And it's amazing that the roof never leaked, you know, and it's not just completely eroded or whatever. And to find something like this has been just sitting here that long. Super cool. Of course, obviously, this is probably was built in, you know, I don't even know when. It says February of 1904. That is written in Febrero, Spanish, right? Febrero, that's Spanish. 1904. So, I mean, this thing might have been in this house since 1904. Pretty cool.